Greetings and welcome to the introduction to astronomy. One of the things that I like to do in each of my introductory astronomy classes is to begin the class with the astronomy picture of the day from the NASA website, that is apod.nasa.gov/apod. And today's picture for August 29th of 2023. Well, it is titled Unusual Spiral Galaxy M66 from Webb. So what do we see here? Well, this is an image from the James Webb Space Telescope looking at the galaxy cataloged as M66. And if you look at it a little bit, you might notice that the arms are not symmetric. Now, often when we look at a spiral galaxy, the spiral arms will swirl out from the center, but will be symmetric on all sides. These are caused by density waves within the galaxy. So collections of enhanced density, which are highlighted, which highlight the spiral arms. So what happens? You can think of it kind of like cars in a traffic jam. Say a traffic jam on the highway passing a slow moving vehicle where all the cars bunch up. Well, all the stars end up bunching up in that cosmic traffic jam and highlight the spiral arms. There's also more collisions between gas clouds. So we form new stars there. And that's why they're highlighted with the bright blue star clusters that don't form long enough to ever leave the traffic jam. They form so quickly and live such a short amount of time that they spend their entire lives within the one spiral arm of a galaxy. Now our own sun within our Milky Way travels around the galaxy every couple 100 million years. So it has plenty of time to move through all of the different arms over time. But here these larger, brighter stars can end up being stuck pretty much in just the one spiral arm in which they are formed. And that allows us to highlight and to see those spiral arms and the concentrations of dust within them. Now, why would this galaxy not be symmetric when most of them are? Well, in general, when we see a galaxy that doesn't quite seem right, that something seems off in it, it is likely due to interactions with the gravitational force of another galaxy. And in this case, a couple of other nearby neighboring galaxies may have passed close enough to distort and pull the material in the one spiral arm, giving us the distortion that we see. So typically galaxies will be very nice and symmetrical, especially the very large spiral and elliptical galaxies. And when we see one that is distorted like this, it's often due to a gravitational interaction with another galaxy. But otherwise, this galaxy is very similar to our own, about 100,000 light years across. And in this case, about 35 million light years away, visible in the constellation of Leo. So that was our picture of the day for August 29th of 2023. It was titled Unusual Spiral Galaxy M66 from Webb. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.